Hello, good morning, student. Today we will solve the questions from exercise 3.6. 3.6 is related to calculation of HCF. So first we can understand how can we calculate the HCF of a given number, then try to solve questions from our exercise. So everyone know what is HCF? HCF is the highest common factor. And how can we calculate the highest common factor in a given 2 or 3 numbers? So firstly we can calculate, our step 1 is that to find out the prime factorization of the given number. Firstly we can calculate the prime factorization of the given number, then finally we can find such a common number, find such a common digit that is present on different numbers on a prime factorization. Means that first we can calculate the prime factorization, then हमको क्या करना है, जो कॉमन नंबर्स हैं वो जितने सारे जो नंबर्स गिवन है उसमें जो कॉमन चीज़ें हैं दैट इज़ द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर्स, दैट इज़ हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर्स हमको फाइंड आउट करना है इन गिवन नंबर्स में. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी कैन ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 18 and 48. Okay, 18 and 48 calculate the HCF, calculation of HCF. So first we can find out their prime factorization. So factorization of 18 and 48. ओके, वन बाई वन दोनों का हम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं. सो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 18 इज 2, 9 जा 3, 3 जा एंड द लास्ट वन इज 3 1 जा. सिमिलरली फॉर 48 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2, 2 2 जा 2 4 जा, 2 1 जा एंड 2 2 जा 2 6 जा 2 3 जा एंड फाइनली 3 1 जा. Then we can write their factors 2, 3 and 3, and for 48 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. Then we can find, or then we can write their common numbers. So we can see here 2 is present on both number and similarly 3 is present on both number. So we can write 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 3. Why? Because 2 is present on 18 and 48 factors, and similarly 3 is also present on 2 and 48 factors. So their multiplication 2 3 are 6. 6 is the highest common factors. 6 is the highest common factors, and 18 and 48 both are divisible by this digit, that is the HCF. So 18 is divisible by 6, 6 3 ja, and 18 is also, 48 is also divisible by 6, means that 6 8 ja. Okay, so the highest common factor is 6. Okay, what is the procedure, what is the step? First we can calculate the prime factors of, or factors of a given number of 18 and 48, then write their factors 2 3 and 3, 2 3 and 3, and similarly factors of 48 is 2 2 2 2 and 3. Then we can search or find such a number that is common on both factors. So 2 is available on both, 3 is also available on both. So we can write here 2 into 3, and 2 into 3 is equal to 6, that is the highest common factors of given numbers. Similarly we can find out the prime factors of 18 and 16, means that is question number 2. So first we can find out the factors of 30 and similarly 42. So 30 is divisible by 2, 2 15 ja, then 3 5 ja, and finally 5 1 ja, and 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 3 7 ja, and 7 1 ja. So again we can write their factors. So what is the factors of 30? So factors of 30 and factors of 40 is equal to, we can write one by one all the factors here. That is equal to 2, 3, 5, 2, 3 and 7. So after that we can search a common digit. So 2 is present, 3 is also present. So what is the common factors? 2 into 3 equal to 6. 6 is the common factors for 30 and 42. So we can say that 6 is the again highest common factors of given numbers 30 and 42. Similarly, we can calculate the highest common factors of 18 and 60. Okay. So how can we calculate? Firstly, find out their factors, prime factors. Then we can see here the factors of 18 and 60. So 18 and 60. So 18 is divisible by 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Similarly, 60 divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10. Then similarly, so finally we can calculate their prime factors by our division method. So 2 3 ja, 2 15 ja, then 3 5 ja, then 5 1 ja. So we can write here that is also divisible by 15 and so what is the common factors or multiples of 18? So similarly we can calculate their factors by 1, 2 9 ja, 3 3 ja and 3 1 ja. Then multiplication of their factors 2 3 and 3, and similarly multiplication of factors of 60 equal to 2 2 3 and 5. We can again circle a common digit. 2 is present on both factors and 3 is also present on both factors. Then their multiplication is equal to HCF. So we can write here 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So 6 is the common factors, or 6 is the prime factors, or 6 is the HCF of given numbers 18 and 16. So all the questions are very easy and follow the same procedure. So everyone try to itself by yourself to find out their answer. 27 and 63, 27 again by our division method, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja and 3 1 ja, and 63 is divisible by firstly 3 3 2 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja and 7 1 ja. Then write their multiplication of factors 3 3 and 3, 3 3 and 7. Again we can occur the same common digit, that is 3 and 3. So we can write their multiplication 3 into 3 equal to 9. So we can predict that 9 is the highest common factors of 27 and 63. On question number E, that is again same to calculation of highest common factor. So first one is 34, second one is 102. So again find out one by one their factors. 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja, 17 1 ja, and 2 5 ja, 2 1 ja. Okay. So 3 1 ja, 3 3 7 ja, 17 1 ja. So again after finding their factors we can multiply 2 17 2 3 and 17. We occurs 2 and 17 is the common factors. Okay, 2 and 17 is the common factors, so that their multiplication is equal to 34. 34 is the highest common factors of 34 and 102. On question number G, 70 105 175. On question number G have three numbers. What is 70, 105 and 175. Okay, it is some small difference compared to other question because it have three numbers, but procedures are same, so we can follow the same procedures to calculation of HCF. Okay, 70 is divisible by 2, 2 3 za 2, 5 za, then 5 7 za and 7 1 za. Okay, it is again divisible by firstly 3, 3 3 za 9, 3 5 za and 5 7 za 7 1 za, and it is divisible by 3 or 5, so it is divisible by 5, 5 2 za 5 3 za 15, 5 5 za and 5 7 za and finally 7 1 za. Okay, again we can write their multiplication of factors after calculating factors. So it is equal to 2 into 5 into 7 and 3, 5 and 7, 5, 5 and 7. We occur the 5 is a common factors. Okay, 5 is a common factors. So 5 is the highest common factors of the given questions, and H, I and J is again similar. So everyone try yourself to solve the questions H and I. Okay, we can solve the last questions from question number 1, that is I, and I is related to again same, questions are same. So firstly we can find out their factors. So what is the factors of 12, 45 and 75? 12 2 6 ja 2 3 ja. Okay, and factors of 45, 3 9 ja, okay sorry 3 1 ja and 3 5 ja, 3 15 ja, okay 3 5 ja 15 and 5 1 ja, and finally for 75 it is also divisible by 3, 3 2 ja and 3 5 ja, 5 5 ja and 5 1 ja. Then multiply their factors 2, 3, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 3, 3 and 5 and 3, 5 and 5. Again we occur the common factors, that is 3, 3 and 3, and 2 is not present on the numbers. So 3 is the finally HCF of the last questions J. Okay, so again understand the firstly concept to how can we solve the, or how can we calculate the HCF. Our step is that first we can calculate their factors, then occurs common digit or common numbers that are present on both or all the numbers, that is we can select the common digit or we can pick out the common numbers, that is the highest common numbers of the given problems. Okay, it is the very simple to calculation of HCF because it is related to your previous concept HCF and the prime factorization or simply calculation of prime. What is the HCF of the two consecutive numbers, two even numbers and two odd numbers? Okay, again firstly we can understand how can we calculate the HCF. So everyone know the calculation of HCF, then we can move to calculate the two numbers. Consecutive numbers means the continuous number. Okay, it is a continuous number. Suppose that 2 then 3, 2 के बाद क्या मिल रहा है हमको, 3 मिल रहा है. So we can say 2 and 3 is the consecutive numbers. 4 5. Okay, so HCF, what is consecutive numbers? Then you can easily and correctly find the answer of given problem, and so we can move to first कैलकुलेशन ऑफ कंसेक्यूटिव टू नंबर्स का HCF हमको कैलकुलेट करना है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल्स 4 and 5 is a two consecutive numbers. 4 and 5 is a two consecutive numbers. Then what is our task? To find out the HCF of 4 and 5. To calculation of the HCF 4 and 5. So then according to our procedure we can calculate their factors, then occurs the common factors, that is the HCF. So 4, 2 and 2. Similarly for 5, 5 and 1. So what is the factors of 4 and 5? Okay, V occurs, the common numbers are available and these factors are 1 and 1 only. 1 क्या है, दोनों में present है, but 2 and 5 are not present. So we can say that the 1 is the highest common factors of two consecutive numbers. So we can write here answer is equal to 1. On B, questions on B, even numbers. Okay, even number means that the table of 2 that is divisible by 2 it is a even number. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on, it is a even numbers. Even number means that a number that is divisible by 2, क्या है वो 2 से divisible हो जाता है easily. So we can say that is the even number, but find their HCF. Okay, so for examples you can take any numbers, but remember that is a even numbers. So we can take 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is a consecutive even numbers. Okay, always remember 2 consecutive. 2 consecutive means continuous number. 3 is a odd number, but 2 and 4 is a consecutive even numbers. So what is the highest common factors of HCF of 2 and 4? Okay, so HCF of 2 and 4 means that factors of 2, so factors of 2 is equal to 2 and factors of 4 is equal to, on question number B A, 4 is divisible by 2, 2 2s are and 2 1s are. Again we can see here 2 is present on both factors and 1 is also present on both factors. So we can say that 2 into 1 equal to 2 is the HCF of 2 even numbers and consecutive even numbers. Okay, it is very easy. Why? Because everyone know and you know the calculation of HCF. To how can we calculate or how can we find the HCF, because the definitions are clear for everyone. So we can calculate the HCF of two even number. Similarly on question C, odd numbers. Okay, odd numbers means that is not divisible by 2. That is not divisible by 2 is a odd number. Then find the two consecutive odd numbers का HCF आपको क्या करना है, कैलकुलेट करना है. So we can write any examples. Okay, that is a consecutive odd numbers. Suppose that 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is a consecutive odd numbers. 3 and 5 is a odd number and continuous है तो क्या हो जाएगा, consecutive odd numbers. Okay, tell me it is divisible by 2. 5 is also divisible by 2. No. So what is the common factors of 3 and 5? 3 and 5 1 के टेबल में आता है 3, 5 भी आता है but 3 के टेबल में 5 नहीं आता है. So we can say the HCF of answer is equal to HCF of 3 and 5 इक्वल टू 1. ओके, अब फैक्टर्स कैलकुलेट करेंगे और देन उसमें से जो कॉमन्स हमको कैलकुलेट होगा, जो कॉमन हमको फाइंड आउट होगा, आकर्स होगा, दैट इज द HCF ऑफ द टू कंसेक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर. HCF ऑफ को प्राइम नंबर 4 and 15 was find as the follow by the factorization. ओके, 4 and 15 का जो प्राइम फैक्टर्स है वो क्वेश्चंस में गिवन है. ओके, 4 इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 2, ये हमको मिलता है फैक्टर्स उसका. एंड 15 इज इक्वल टू 3 इंटू 5, ये इसका क्या हुआ, फैक्टर्स हुआ. सिंस देयर इज नो कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर्स, इन दोनों में कुछ भी कॉमन हमको फाइंड आउट नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि 2 and 2 है वहाँ पर और ये क्या है 3 and 5, तो इनमें कुछ भी कॉमन शो नहीं हो रहा है. सो HCF ऑफ 4 and 15 इज 0. तब HCF 4 and 15 का 0 होगा. योर आंसर इज आइदर यस और नो. ओके, यू कैन ट्राई टू गिव द आंसर. इज द आंसर इज करेक्ट, क्या आंसर करेक्ट है? इफ नॉट, व्हाट इज द करेक्ट HCF? ओके, क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर. आई थिंक एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड द व्हाट इज 1-2 क्वेश्चन से. ओके, द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 4 इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 2 गिवन है. फैक्टर्स ऑफ 15 क्या गिवन है, 3 into 5 गिवन है। एन अकॉर्डिंग टू HCF टू फाइंड फैक्टर्स, हमको यहाँ से हम फैक्टर्स कैलकुलेट कर लिए 2 into 2, 15 का क्या हो गया 3 into 5। बट इनमें कॉमन क्या चीज़ है, कॉमन डिजिट क्या हमको आकर हो रहा है और नॉट। बट क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन है, 0। तो क्या 0 उन दोनों में कॉमन है या 0 इज़ द HCF ऑफ गिवन क्वेश्चंस? नो। ओके, इसको हम अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं। फैक्टर्स ऑफ 2, फैक्टर्स ऑफ 4 इज इक्वल टू 2, 2 into 1, and factors of 15, 3 5s and 5 1s, and their multiplication. Okay, it is a multiplication of factors, it is also multiplication of factors. Then step second of calculation of HCF. How can we calculate the HCF? To find or search a common digit or common numbers. सो इनमें और इनमें जो कॉमन नंबर्स हैं वो क्या है, इनमें क्या चीज़ कॉमन है। यहाँ पर 1 को नहीं लिखा गया है, यहाँ भी 1 को नहीं लिखा गया है, लेकिन 1 इज़ प्रेजेंट एवरीवेयर। 1 क्या है, सभी जगह क्या है, अवेलेबल है। सो 1 and 1 इज़ द कॉमन डिजिट। इसमें क्या है, 1 and 1 इज़ द कॉमन डिजिट। सो व्हाट इज़ द HCF ऑफ 4 and 15 इज़ 1। HCF क्या होगा, 1 होगा। बट इस क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है, सो दैट HCF ऑफ 4 and 15 इज 0। तो क्या 4 and 15 का HCF 0 होगा? नो, आंसर इज इनकरेक्ट। आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, इनकरेक्ट, एंड करेक्ट आंसर इज 1। करेक्ट आंसर इज 1। 4 and 15 का HCF क्या होगा, 1 होगा। और जो गिवन क्वेश्चन है वो क्या है, जो स्टेटमेंट है वो इनकरेक्ट है। सो रिमेंबर द कंसेप्ट ऑफ HCF। स्टेप 1, कैलकुलेट द फैक्टर्स 1 by 1। स्टेप 2, मल्टीप्लाई द फैक्टर्स ऑफ गिवन नंबर्स। देन थर्ड एंड लास्ट स्टेप इज टू ऑकर्स कॉमन डिजिट और कॉमन numbers to search a common factors on both number, that is the highest common factors। जो जो उनमें कॉमन है उनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे और यही क्या होगा, हम लोगों का आंसर होगा।